All right, in this lesson, we are going to check a letter is uppercase or lowercase. Here we have the basic structure. First of all, we need to declare a variable so that we can get a single letter from the user, okay? So of course, we are going to declare the character data type here because we are going to get the character from user. And then we can ask the user to give us the input. Here I'm going to say printf, enter a letter, okay? Enter a letter, fair enough. Now that we have the letter, let's store that inside our variable. Here we're going to use %c this time because we are getting a character from the user, and let's put that inside the letter variable. Of course, you can name the variable anything, but for now it makes more meaningful here. Okay, fair enough. Now we need to check conditions here in order to say whether this is an uppercase or lowercase letter. Now, when we can say a letter is uppercase, if the letter is in between the range A to Z, then we can say it's an uppercase letter, right? So how can we write the condition for that so that our compiler knows that letter is between A to Z? For that, what we can say here, if the letter is greater than or equal A, the capital A, and the end range needs to be in this case Z. So we need to compare with Z here. If the letter is less than or equal to capital Z, then we can say the letter is in between the range A to Z. And of course, we can say this is a capital letter. So let's do that here. I'm going to use printf as usual here just to print. So we are going to say the letter. So here I'm going to use %c is a capital or is an uppercase letter. Is an uppercase letter. That's all. And I need to print that letter, so here I'm going to print letter variable. That's all, and hopefully it made sense to you. Now we need to just copy and paste for the lowercase. In this case, our range needs to be set for small a to Z. So here we're going to compare with a small a at the beginning. This is our starting point, so the letter has to be equal or greater than this one, or less than or equal to smaller z. That's all. Now this time we're going to say it's going to be lowercase letter. That should be all. Now maybe if the user give us wrong input, maybe this is not a letter. In this case, we can show that here as well. So if it is not inside this range, then it's going to be invalid letter, or this is not a letter. Here I'm going to use else if, by the way, and then let me just copy and paste. There are many ways we can do this, but as I said, maybe I want to keep it simple when I'm explaining these things to you. So here I'm going to say is not a letter, is not a letter. That's all. All right, let me run this program. Let's compile and run, and let's see what do you have here. Is an instruction, so let's wait. It is supposed to say enter a letter. There you go. Now if I give a here, smaller a, and it says lowercase letter, which is completely fine. If I run one more time, and then if I give a capital A, this is saying uppercase letter, which is completely fine. And the next one, now we need to check whether this is a valid or invalid input. Let's see, if I give 1, it says 1 is not a letter. Now, of course, we could check the validation here earlier as well, but let's keep it like that. So hopefully you have got the concept how to check a letter is uppercase or lowercase letter.